Hello everyone, I wanted to create a short video to show you how to assign those English learner reclassification rubrics. Once you get into Elevation, you're going to come up here to the search bar. You're going to type the student's name in, and for this example I'm going to use this student. This is their profile, and you're going to come to the monitoring tab. From here, you're going to select Assign Form, Monitoring tab. You're going to scroll all the way down and select the English Learner Reclassification Rubric. You're going to select the RLA teacher because RLA is the closest to second language acquisition. And then the due date, you're going to select May 27th. Now I know you probably will need to have these done before then. But because every campus is going to do their LPACs at different times, this is just a standard date so that you are able to create the assignment, because we need a due date on here regardless. So it's going to be up to you guys as LPAC administrators to work with your teachers who are helping you coordinate your LPACs to establish the actual deadline that you're going to share with your teachers. I didn't want for it to be too soon. I didn't want for it to be too late. So we're doing the same thing that we did with the designated supports. So here we're going to use this deadline and we're going to create the assignment. Now, once the assignment is done, you'll see right here that I added it. So this form has now been sent to Miss Collins and for her to complete. Now I'm going to show you from here on how you actually monitor your monitoring forms. So you're going to go to monitoring, you're going to go to the students tab, monitoring, and then all the way down here to the English Learner Reclassification Rubric. And this is how you're going to monitor those forms. Make sure that up here in this drop down you select the correct date. So we're looking at 5/27/2022. So here is my one form that I have assigned. Then this is Jennifer's. Now obviously Miss Collins has not completed this form because I just added it. So I want to check to see if they have completed it. From here, what I can do is I have a couple of options. I can send reminders. Hey, Miss Collins, please make sure that you have this completed by such and such date. And you can send them that email reminder. From here, you may also, if you've made a mistake and you assigned it to the wrong teacher, you can delete it. You can also generate a report. Now this report will actually show you the whole entire form, which you might not need, but that is an option for you. The other part that's actually very helpful to the LPAC administrators is to use the generate listing from perform action. This will give you an entire list of those forms for you to verify. So this tells you that you've assigned the form to Jennifer. This is her teacher. It'll tell you the date that the teacher completed it and what the recommendations were. So it's a quick one. It's not going to be the full blown one that we saw earlier. This is just a list. A list of the students with just quick information. Have they submitted it? Since Miss Collins hasn't submitted it, these sections are empty. And that's how you will know that those teachers have not completed it. So this is a very quick way for you to download and print this list, so that way you can go visit those teachers and just give them a friendly reminder. Hey, don't forget, I need those, I need those forms taken care of. You have that option to do so by creating your list here.